Hi, everybody. It's Mr. Lamping. This is week number 6, our 6th module in our second semester of ESAC's geometry. Good luck with it this week. We're going to continue with trigonometry. We are going to look at something called the law of sines and the law of cosines this week. So let's see what's on the old agenda as we take a look at our first thing, the introductory video, which you're watching right now. Our resource room link and our open forum links, always there for you and for you to use if you need some help. Please use those. Our first set of instructions, here we go. Law of sines, the first of our two laws. This is what I would call the easier of the two laws and the one I would use when I can. So we'll look at that law of sines. We will have a SWIC, show what you know, idea in MathXL, something you'll need to get 100% on before you can move into the homework. The homework then is also a MathXL assignment. Then our second set, we're going to move into something called vectors. What is a vector? It's really just a directional idea. It looks like a ray on a graph, but it's really not a ray. It has a direction, but it also has a length, which in case a ray does not. It has a compass direction. We'll talk about compass directions, north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest, things of that fashion. And then we'll look at something called component form. How can I write vectors in different forms? And we're going to look at that. You'll be doing more with vectors in later math classes, so we're going to introduce you to vectors this time around. And then we will have a SWIC over that information as well as an assignment. And then finally, our third set of instructions, the law of cosines. A little bit more complicated idea than the law of sines, but still a necessary thing that we will have to have in our arsenal of tools so that we can be successful in trigonometry. The law of cosines. We'll have a SWIC over that information as well as a MathXL assignment. The concluding video wrapping things all up, as well as our assessment. This time the assessment is the entire test for the entire Unit H on trigonometry. We'll finish up that unit this week, and then we'll have our final thoughts before we move on to the weekend and into our next module for next week. So good luck on the material this week, and I will see you when it's all done.